Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 1 is going to be teamwork. Now, how many of you guys have ever heard that word before? What does it mean? What does it look like? Can you explain it to a friend? Can you explain it to a parent? So the definition for teamwork is a group of individuals working together to achieve a task or an objective. Okay, so this year I developed the Fast 5. Now the Fast 5 is going to be a workout for 30 seconds and we're going to go 4 different workouts for 30 seconds, 1 minute break in between, and then we're going to repeat the 4 exercises all over again, which will add up to 5 minutes. So Fast 5, okay? So today's Fast 5 workout is going to be 1, high knees, 2, squats, 3, flutter kicks, and 4, planks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those workouts in just a moment. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout. Make sure you get your water ready to go, a towel. All right, so as I mentioned, the Fast 5, we're gonna do 4 exercises. We're gonna do them for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna have a 1 minute break in between the 4 exercises, and then we're gonna do the same 4 exercises a second time. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1, we're gonna do high knees. So if you're new to this, what you're gonna do is put your hands out in front of you as a target, get your knees up. So if you wanna just march in place, okay? And then if you're comfortable, you're gonna go a little bit faster. And then if you're really comfortable, you chop your arms and move your hands and feet as fast as you can. That is 1, that's high knees. 2 is gonna be squats. Feet shoulder width apart, make a nice base. We're gonna put our hands in front of us and we're gonna drop our bottom. Make sure that you are not dropping your back down. That is not a squat. That your feet are shoulder width apart and you drop your bottom. Try to get it as low to the ground as possible, okay? Number 3, we have flutter kicks. Now flutter kicks, you're gonna go down on your bottom, and what you're gonna do is you're going to lean your torso back and get your legs up, and then you're gonna up and down. Those are called flutter kicks. And number 4, we're gonna go into a plank position. So you got 2 options for your plank position. You guys can do a push-up plank, but you want your arms about shoulder width apart. Your hands are flat. Don't turn your wrist out. That's a big mistake that you don't want to do. You can actually injure your wrist. Hands are facing forward. You can do a push-up plank. That's one way right there. The second way is going to be on your forearms. Your forearms, okay, right here. Not your elbows, your forearms. And then hold that plank position there, okay? I'll give you a side angle. Again, push-up plank, straight back. I don't want to see no mountains. I don't want to see any seals, okay? Make sure your back is straight. Or, again, you can go on your forearms. Same thing, straight back, okay? Now, get ready to go. We'll do our Fast 5 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. High knees. You breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's go. 10 more seconds. And 1, stop. All right, number 2. We're gonna go into those squats. Ready, and go. Yeah, make sure you drop that bottom as low as you can. Yeah, breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Good job. You guys are working your bodies. You're doing a great job. Keep it up, don't stop. When you want to quit, all right, next one up. We go with on your bottoms. Let's go, flutter kicks. If you want to challenge yourself, stay a little more upright like me, and then go lower. And then go up, and then go lower. Woo! You want to maintain your flutter kick at about 6 inches. You're doing great, keep it up. got plank. I'm gonna go into a push-up plank this round. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5. It's gonna be a great workout now. A little side angle for you guys. If you feel like going down to the floor, take a quick break on your knees, that's okay. Hop right back up though, okay? Don't give up. All right, let's go. You have a 1 minute break.
Great time to get some water. Get a towel like myself. Wipe that sweat off. And just remember, we still got round 2. We're gonna do the same 4 exercises. One more time. You guys enjoying this workout? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about it.
All right, here we go. Round number 2. Again, the same 4 exercises, 30 seconds. And go, high knees. Seconds left. All right, next one up, let's go. Squats. And really try to get that bottom down. On your bottoms, let's go. Flutter kicks. Go. All right, let's go in planks. This time we're gonna do forearm planks. And go. Again, 30 seconds. Everything you guys got, 30 seconds. You guys wanna close your eyes? Breathe in, deep breaths in. And out. This is it. Again, if you need to take a break real quick, get down, take a break, jump right back in. Don't give up. You did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. This is what we're gonna be doing from this point on for this year. Fast 5 workouts, 4 exercises, 2 rounds, lots of fun, lots of sweat coming down your face, heart pumping, blood flowing to your body. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get into our activity of the day in just a moment. Welcome to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're gonna do a workout called Alphabet Fitness. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna have different workouts for each letter of the alphabet. It's gonna be your whole name, fully spelled out. So first name and last name. Those, if you wanna be an optional challenge, it could be first name, middle name, and last name. Every letter represents a different workout, so you guys are gonna do those workouts. So I'm gonna demonstrate the different workouts for each letter, and then we'll go from there. So make sure you guys get some water, use the restroom, and head on over in about 1 minute, and we'll start the exercise. Stay tuned. So once again, we're gonna do a workout that is based off your full name, your first and last name, and again, as an option, you can do your middle name as well. So the first letter A, is a jumping jack. So jumping jack is quite simple. Feet are together, hands are at your side. When you guys start, you're gonna jump up, hands go out, feet go out, and then you can return back home. So you're gonna go up, That's a jumping jack. So that's letter A. Letter B, star jump. Star jumps, we've done this in a couple of our previous workout warm-ups. So what you're gonna do is feet together, and then you're gonna jump up, hands go up, have feet go out and back in at the same time on the return. So it's gonna look like this. Letter C, tuck jumps. Tuck jumps is you're gonna have your feet together, you're gonna jump straight up, bring your feet close to your chest. Next one, sit-ups. Just your neighborhood friendly sit-ups. You're gonna go onto your back, legs are elevated, body's laying down. I like to put my hands on my thighs, come up over my knee and down. Let's sit up. So that is D. E is a 10-second plank. So you can do either a forearm plank or a push-up plank. Push-up plank is in a push-up position, holding your body up. Your forearm plank is going to be on your forearms, not your elbows. And you're going to hold that plank position.
You messed it up.
Letter F. It's going to be scissors. Scissors are going to go forward and backwards, so it's going to look like this. Letter G, in and out. So remember, feet together. This is in, out. The bottom half of a jumping jack. Lunges. You guys can go forward lunges. Get your knee to almost touch the floor. Crisscross. Feet are going to cross each other in front or in back, or you can do both. Push-ups is for letter J. So feet straight, back straight, go down and up. Those are our push-ups. Next one, invisible jump ropes. Letter K, invisible jump ropes. So you're gonna go bunny hops, pretending to jump rope. Letter L, we have skaters. Skaters are, you're gonna go side to side across your body. Feet go behind you, similar to a curtsy. F is lateral lunges. So lateral lunges, you're gonna go to one side, your hip goes to the side, bottom hits the floor almost if you can, sideways. Lateral lunges. N is bunny hops. Simple, feet together, hop up like a bunny. O, calf raises. You're gonna go and put your feet together on your toes. Those are calf raises. And P, burpees. So you guys can do a modified burpee or you can do a full burpee. Hit the ground, feet go out, feet come in and hop up. Or you can do a modified, go down, go up. Okay, it's your choice. Q is gonna be skiers. So you're gonna go side to side with both feet. Kind of like you're on a ski, bunny slope. R, squats, feet shoulder width apart, hands in front of you. Drop your bottom straight down like you're sitting in the chair and up. Squats. S, modified push-ups. So these you're actually gonna have your knees on the floor. Again, hands are facing forward. You're gonna go down and up. You are allowed to actually have your knees on the mat or the floor. Your hands in the way. T, jump squats. So you're gonna go again, feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna squat down, but this time instead of just coming straight up, you're actually gonna squat down and jump up as high as you can. U is 10-second mountain climbers. Mountain climbers is similar to a push-up position, except you're gonna alternate your feet going forward and back. Like you're climbing a mountain. B, windmills. Right hand comes up, goes across your body to your left foot. Left hand comes up, comes across to your right foot. Back and forth. Those are windmills. X is a 10-second squat, so you're gonna get into a nice squat position and hold it for 10 seconds. Y is a 10-second high knee, so very similar to our warm-up, so we always do. High knees up in the air. And Z is sumo squats. So sumo squats are a little differently because instead of going feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go wider than your hips. Again, squat lower, except your hips are actually, your feet are actually wider than your hips. down and up.
Oh, good.
Those are sumo squats. So, get ready to go. We're gonna start our warm up. I'm gonna show you my exercise in just a moment. Stay tuned. So I spelled out my name. Obviously you guys know it's Mr. Garcia, and I'm gonna show you guys my exercises in just a moment. For M, I have 10 lateral lunges. R, I have 10 squats. G, I have 10 in and outs. A, I have jumping jacks, 10 jumping jacks. R, I have, again, 10 squats. C, I have 10 tuck jumps. I have 10 crisscrosses. And A, 10 jumping jacks. So again, stay tuned, and I'm gonna do that workout for you guys right now so you know what to expect. Thank you guys. All right, boys and girls, get ready to go. We're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I have 10 lateral lunges. I'm gonna do 5 on the side. Each side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, R, I got 10 squats. Feet shoulder width apart, hands down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. G, in and outs, feet together. In, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, jumping jacks, 10 jumping jacks. Feet together and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. R, go back to squats. 10 squats, feet shoulder width apart, hands out, let's go. 1. Do your best, keep going, work hard. 6.
Oh, gosh. Oh.
We got C, tuck jumps. 10 of them, remember, bring your knees to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I, we got crisscross, 10 crisscross. Remember, you can go front and forward, front of your feet, behind, or do both. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. A, 10 jumping jacks. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Everything you got. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, folks. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for jumping into that activity, working your hearts out. Remember to keep working out, and forever in your life, don't quit, do it. Make good choices, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Great job today. I love that everybody gave it their all. I know you guys worked hard today. Remember, you guys can challenge yourself. You can do your first name, last name, middle name. I encourage you guys, have your parents, have your siblings, have your cousins, anyone that's in your family or in your household, challenge them to do it with you. So you are never alone during these workouts, okay? Keep working hard. Again, don't quit, do it. Do your best. I'm so proud of you guys for hanging in there and doing this. So make sure you guys stay tuned for further content and enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop down a comment below. What was your favorite exercise? What's your least favorite exercise? What you can do in the future to improve yourself. So keep going, guys. Don't quit, do it. Take care.